Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Facebook pixel to WooCommerce step by step in 2026. This tutorial is made for complete beginners. So if you just created a WooCommerce store, you want to run Facebook or Instagram ads, you don't know what a pixel is, or Meta Ads Manager looks confusing. Don't worry, I'll explain everything slowly, clearly, in simple terms. Hopefully you can execute on your own after watching this. By the end of this video, your Facebook pixel will be installed, tracked, and working properly on your WooCommerce store. So let's start. What is Facebook pixel? Facebook pixel is a small tracking code from Meta. It tracks what visitors do on your website. For example, view product, add to cart, start checkout, purchase. This data helps Meta show your ads to the right people, optimize for sales, track conversions. No pixel, no smart ads. Now, what you need before starting. Before adding the pixel, make sure you have a WooCommerce website, a Meta Facebook Business Manager account, access to your WordPress, of course, admin. If you don't have these yet, pause the video and set them up first, then come back. Now, create a Facebook pixel in Meta Business Manager. So go ahead to the business.facebook.com, right, and log in. Once inside, what you're gonna do, go to the settings or add account settings, and you're gonna find advertising settings, right? Inside, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just scroll a little bit down to find datasets in pixels. Just press it, right? And then as you can see, no datasets or pixel yet. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead to the event manager. All right. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna choose, as a beginner, partner integrations. This is the easiest and safest way. And then what you're gonna do, select WooCommerce here. All right. Now, and then continue. Now what you're gonna do, install the WooCommerce or the official Facebook for WooCommerce plugin. Now Meta will ask you to install a plugin. Go to your WordPress dashboard and search for plugins. As you can see, I'm not signed in, right? I don't have an account there. But if you do, just on the left hand menu, find plugins, like a switch icon. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna search for WooCommerce for Facebook. You're gonna find these two plugins, right? And install the Facebook for WooCommerce here, right? That connects your WooCommerce website to Facebook, and just hit a download, right? And once you install, you just activate it. If you don't know how or how can you execute, just hit connect account here. They will show you how it's done. If you're choosing to connect website, just go ahead and hit next. They will show you how to create one. It says right here, dataset is required. So go ahead and create a dataset, right? Your name, and check your website for easy option or setup option. Okay, add the pixel name, right? Continue. And then hit next here. As you can see, this is your WordPress dashboard. Just hit the plugins here like a switch. Underwards, you're gonna under it, you're gonna find add a new. Just go ahead and install your plugin Facebook for WooCommerce zip and activate the plugin, right? And then what you're gonna do, just follow the steps, click the Facebook plugin, and get started. Okay, and then verify the connection, right? Check the status of your connection by verifying. If after verifying your status doesn't change, use the back button to confirm you followed the previous instructions correctly. And then what you're gonna do, just hit finish, and now you just set it up, right? And now you're active on WooCommerce, right? Now, select the correct pixel. As we mentioned, choose your business manager, select the pixel you created earlier, make sure the correct pixel is selected, the correct website domain is connected. This step is very important, right? And now, once you connect the website, right, what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able to host events right? Events are website actions that are set up on your WooCommerce site and are being sent to Meta using the pixel. So no more, no less. Go ahead and activate the plugin and make sure that active status is on, right? If you want to install a catalog, just go ahead and continue the setup, right? Go to the plugin again, install WooCommerce, Facebook for WooCommerce, excuse me. And now that's it. You completed the setup steps, and now they're loading your products into your catalog, okay? And the plugin will automatically tracks events like view content, add to cart, initiate checkout, purchase. Make sure event tracking is enabled or active. You do not need to add code manually. This saves beginners from mistakes. And basically that's it. Now you just you set up your Facebook pixel, and now is installed on your WooCommerce store. Now, how can you verify if pixel is working? Go back to the Meta Ads Manager and select your pixel. So go ahead to the partner integrations here. You're gonna find that WooCommerce, right? And select your pixel. Now your website is in another browser, and you can view product page, add product to cart. If you see activity, pixel is working. Or you can just go ahead to the advertising settings like we showed you before, right? And then hit advertising settings here. And inside you're gonna find the data sets in pixels, and as you can see, I already added one here, which is the WooCommerce thing, okay? So yeah, basically that's it. Green check marks equals success. If it's not, go back and just complete the steps and integrate with your WooCommerce using, of course, the WordPress. Okay, so yeah, common beginner problems and mistakes here. Pixel not showing data. Wait 10 to 20 minutes. Clear website cache. Check domain connection. Event missing. Make sure WooCommerce is updated. Check plugin is active. Disable conflicting plugins. Most issues are simple. Now, due to privacy rules, use a cookie consent banner. Inform users about tracking. This protects your store and ads account. Now, what the Pixel helps you do next? With Pixel installed, you can run conversion ads, retarget website visitors, track real sales, or optimize ad performance. Pixel equals smarter advertising. Now, avoid installing multiple pixels, adding code manually plus plugin together, using wrong business manager, or ignoring pixel testing. One pixel, one setup, clean tracking. Now, what to do after pixel setup? Create a conversion campaign, choose purchase or add to cart, start with small budget, test and optimize. Pixel data improves over time. Now, adding Facebook Pixel to WooCommerce in 2026 is beginner friendly, fast, required for serious ads. Once installed, your ads become smarter, your tracking becomes accurate, your store becomes scalable. Take it step by step, don't rush, double check everything. If this beginner guide helped you, like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Comment below what video you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Hello everyone, welcome.